Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have Knuckles unlocked and be in the correct stage where the Metal Knuckles quest spawns. Once done, collect the 3 red rings nearby and the required key item that triggers the subquest. Make sure online features or local co-op are enabled if the mission requires another player, because some spawns check session state. You begin the quest immediately after collecting those items. This primes the world to spawn the NPC or chest that leads to the crafting recipe. You now progress to the complex middle steps. Speak with the NPC and choose the dialogue options that mark the forge on your map, because that choice unlocks the crafting chain. Next, complete the timed platforming trial in under 60 seconds to access the miniboss area. This trial gates the rare gear required. While fighting the miniboss, focus attacks to force the drop of 2 metal scraps and a rare gear. Once you have those parts, return to the forge to begin assembly and recipe combination. You finish by combining the parts at the forge and selecting the Metal Knuckles recipe. You must confirm crafting and pay any in-game cost. After assembly, equip the Metal Knuckles in your loadout and test them on a weak enemy to verify damage and special properties. If the recipe or parts fail to appear, reload your last checkpoint or exit and re-enter the area to trigger respawns. Make sure your game version is updated. An online sync is active to avoid quest state desynchronization problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.